Hi everyone, my name is Paolo Cruschelli. Welcome to my course, Using Salt Open for Cloud Management. I am a senior network and cloud architect. In this course, we're going to learn how to deploy, configure and administer Salt Cloud module. Some of the major topics that we will cover include why we should use Salt Cloud and which is the main problem which solves, when we should use Salt Cloud and what are the main reference scenarios, what are the main features of Salt Cloud, how Salt Cloud must be installed and configured. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and the knowledge of Salt Cloud that you need to easily operate a Salt environment which spans multiple public and private clouds. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with DevOps topics. You should have a basic knowledge of Salt Stack framework, and you should also be familiar with the YAML and JSON formats. Also, a previous operational knowledge on AWS and Google Cloud is considered a plus. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Salt Cloud module with the Salt Open for Cloud Management course at Pluralsight.